How to use Ctrl+F to find words on your computer. Sure, here are the steps on how to use Ctrl+F to find words on your computer. 1. Open the document or web page that you want to search. 2. Press the Ctrl key and the F key at the same time. 3. In the search box that appears, type the word or phrase that you are looking for. 4. Click on the Find Next button. 5. The search results will be highlighted in the document or web page. 6. You can use the Find Next button to continue searching for the word or phrase. 7. You can also use the Find Previous button to search for the word or phrase backwards. 8. When you are finished searching, you can click on the Close button. Here are some additional tips. Asterisk. You can use Ctrl+F to search for words or phrases in any document or web page. Asterisk. You can use Ctrl+F to search for whole words or parts of words. Asterisk. You can use Ctrl+F to search for case-sensitive or case-insensitive words. Asterisk. You can use Ctrl+F to search for multiple words or phrases at the same time. Asterisk. You can use Ctrl+F to search for regular expressions. I hope this helps.